Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Galaxy F62 smartphone. Samsung says this is full on speedy smartphone. So now quickly open it up. Okay, so in top of we get this small box. Let's see. So here we get this SIM ejector pin, and if you see inside, so here's some reading manuals, warranty card, and guys, no back case. Okay, and guys, here's the font itself. You can see here's the font itself, and laser blue color, laser green, and laser gray color is also available. And guys, it has 7000 milliamp hour powerful battery. Yes, it has 7000 milliamp hour powerful battery, which also support reverse charging, so you can also use it as a power bank. Okay, we come to the phone later. Let's see what we get inside the boxes. So if you see here, so here we get the USB type C cable, and here we get the big charger. Here you can see. Okay, so this is the 25-watt super fast charger you get in the box. Here you can see, which is a really good thing. Okay, that's all we get in the box. Keep this aside. And here's the phone itself. You can see, quickly remove its plastic cover. So here you can see the phone. It is in laser blue color, and if we talk about the design, you can see the design is really looking good. You can see the gradient look. Here you can see the design of this phone is really looking good. And if we talk about the touch and feel, it also good. You can see, I will show you the touch and feel of this phone is really good. And here we have the Samsung logo on back. Okay, now if we talk about its physical overview, in top of we get this secondary microphone. On this side we get the SIM tray. Now quickly eject it and see what specification we get out of it. Okay, so this is a really good thing. It supports triple. Yes, it has triple slot. Here you can see, here you can insert 2 nano SIM and 1 micro SD card over there, which is a really good thing. It has dedicated micro SD card slot, and on bottom it has 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB type C port, main microphone, and here we get the main speaker. And here we get the volume up and down and power on off key with side mounted fingerprint sensor. Here you can see. And if we talk about the back, it has quad rear camera setup, 64 megapixel, 12 megapixel, 5 megapixel, and 5 megapixel, and LED flash over there. And in front, in Infinity O display, it has 32 megapixel front camera. Okay, now quickly boot this up and set the device. Okay, by the time it boots up and set up, I will give you its configuration overview. It has Exynos 9825 7nm octa-core processor, 6.7 inches Full HD plus Super AMOLED Plus Infinity O display. It supports dual nano SIM with dedicated micro SD card slot. If we talk about the internal storage, it has 128 and 128 with the UFS 2.1 internal storage variants available. It has quad rear camera setup, 64 megapixel f1.8 aperture, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 5 megapixel with depth sense. It has 32 megapixel f2.2 aperture front camera. If we talk about the battery, it has 7000 milliamp battery, which supports 25-watt fast charging and also reverse charging. If we talk about the software, it is running on Android 11 One UI 3.1, and for better security, it has side mounted fingerprint and face unlock. So here you can see I have started the device. The phone is starting. Okay, so this is the UI of Galaxy F62 smartphone. If we slide from top, we get the notification bar. You can see helpful settings are available. And if we slide from bottom, we get the app drawer. And if we slide here, we get the Google feedback feature available. And guys, if we talk about its UI, it's smooth. You can see it is really smooth. You can see, yeah, no doubt the UI of this phone is really smooth. And guys, the good thing is it has a Super AMOLED Plus display. You can see the display of this smartphone is really very vibrant. You can see the color are really punchy. You can see the display of this smartphone is really good. And if we go in settings, let's check how much storage we get out of 128 GB. So here you can see 23.72 GB uses phone out of 128 GB. So phone uses 18%. You can see 18% used out of 128 GB. And if we go in about phones, software info, so you can see it is running on One UI version 3.1 and the Android version is latest Android 11. And the good thing is it has a knock security available, which is a really good thing for better security, for much better security. And the Android security patch level is of 1 February 2021. I would like to say the UI of this phone is really smooth, you can see, no doubt. You can see the UI of this phone is really smooth. And if we talk about its camera, here's some shots I have taken with the Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. And you can see this is the 4K video recording I'm doing with the Samsung Galaxy F62 smartphone. I don't know if it is capturing the dog barking sound or not. But the dog is barking. Okay, so what is this? This is the flickering. You can see during the 4K video recording, you can see the flickering. Samsung, you have to fix this. And if we talk about it, side mounted fingerprint and face unlock, let's check this out. If we talk about the side mounted fingerprint, I put the finger and it unlock. You can see I put and it unlock. I put and it unlock quickly, guys. It unlocks quickly. You can see I put the finger and it quickly unlock. Here you can see. Okay, guys, this side mounted fingerprint is really very fast and responsive. You can see I put and it's quickly unlock. And if we talk about its face unlock, let's check this out. I'm not seeing, I see. Okay, face doesn't match. Try again. I'm not seeing, I see. Again, cover the okay. Do this again. I see. And phone unlock, you can see. I look at the phone, face doesn't match. Okay. Now phone look at me and the face again doesn't match. Okay, so I would like to say the face unlock needs improvement, but if we talk about the side mounted fingerprint sensor, you can see it is really very fast and responsive. You can see the side mounted fingerprint sensor of this smartphone is really very fast and responsive, but it needs improvement in face unlock. So guys, this is the unboxing of Galaxy F62 smartphone. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any particular question about this device, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.